Consultants. NPF Consultants is a sales and marketing arm. I have the exclusive representation of the Crow's Nest software product, which is a subcontracting project management solution. I've been using Zoho for about 2 years, primarily just to keep track of all the potential clients and the clients that I have made sales to. This workshop on CRM Plus, which is the product I'm using, has been extremely helpful to me. It's really opened up my eyes to a lot more of the footprint that I've been using. I have one great example. I'm spending money every year. I do online demos. I'm using a GoToMeeting, and I realized that meetings is part of Zoho, which I never knew, and I'm sitting here spending about $200, $250 a year when I don't even need it. So that was just one really good example. The coverage was excellent. It really opened up my eyes, as I've mentioned. I've learned a lot. I've got a lot more that I now know that I can do. So it was definitely worth my being here. Yes, in the past I did use ACT, and previously I've used Salesforce. When I got rid of ACT, I could have gone to Salesforce, but I looked at Zoho. It was an easy decision. I'm glad I was here.